Welcome back. This is my Stirling engine I built from scratch. I have it running. This is on 70% alcohol. I will also be running 50% and 91%, and then hand sanitizer 70%. And we will see how efficient it will be running. And I'm going to give you the list also in this video. So, yep. We're also going to be checking the temperature. So right now, the temperature is at 78 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 Celsius. Alright, let's move on to the 50% isopropyl alcohol. Now we got the 50% alcohol. Now let's light it. Give it a chance to warm up. Much bigger flame. And there it goes. Didn't even have to help it at all. Check the temp. Wow, it's way hotter. It's 179 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Celsius. Alright, let's move on to 91% alcohol. So we have the 91% alcohol in, so let's get it fired up. I just checked the temperature, and it's about 60 Celsius, not 60 Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which I do believe is 20 Celsius. It started immediately. Let's make that flame just a little bit small. So let's check the temperature. Okay, it is about 300 degrees and 171 Celsius. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next video.